Alright everybody, welcome to the first tutorial of 4 in our Exploration Process Journal series. So this video today is actually going to be super short and sweet because you're going to be just doing most of the work, so I won't talk at you much. This is going to be our mindful moment, but not until we all have class together. So for this process journal, for this part of the process journal, you're going to first read slides and look at slides 45 through 51, which I'll show you in just a moment. You're going to take visual notes on all of the terms and then put a photo of them in the notes in your process journal. So don't let this take you too long. Don't let it trip you up. Visual notes are very simple. You're just writing stuff out in a different way, whether it's a web or maybe just drawing pictures, whatever you feel comfortable with. You're just taking visual notes on the terms about color in this. So then you'll look at the examples on slides 52 of this presentation, and then you'll get your supplies ready to get started, including watercolor, palette, brush, cup of water, and a paper towel. If you can do 2 cups of water, that is always better because you can use one to wash out your brush and then one to get new water when you put it into a color. And then what you're going to do once you have all of that done is you're going to sit down and in 1 or 2 sessions, you're going to work through these 3 videos right here, which I will show you momentarily. So I'll come back to those. I'm going to go through the slides that you're going to look at and take visual notes on. It might be helpful for you to add color into your notes. So maybe you could draw a big color wheel in the middle and then do all the other notes on the outside of it. So there's some pictures on there as examples, and there's also some visuals that help you see what the notes are visually talking about. And here are some former student examples. So now we're going to go back to these videos here, and they will also be linked in Schoology, which they're right under this video that you're watching now. So there are a set of 3 videos, beginner watercolor exercises, and this is what they look like. This person has put together a really nice set of videos, and because I am not a watercolor expert, I wanted to bring you something from someone who was more of an expert than I am. So it's something I like and I can do it, but I'm definitely not an expert at it. So that's why I like this video. So you'll watch these 3 videos and you will follow along and do exactly what this person does in all 3 videos in your sketchbook. So once you're finished with that, you're going to come to your process journal. Let's scroll back up here and put a photo of the visual notes that you did in there, as well as 3 photos, one of each tutorial video that you completed. So each video is like 20 minutes or less. So it shouldn't take you more than an hour to do all of these, but if you want to break it up into 2 sessions, you can, or if you want to try to get it all done in one, that's completely up to you how you do this. And then don't forget to answer the reflection questions at the end before you move on to the next part. All right, enjoy this.